Na-eksena si Kuya, bida-bida. Battle for Third. Go! Serving.
Jersey number 4, Rafael. Jersey number 3, Service by jersey number 3. Series by jersey number 3, James Favor. Set by jersey number 5, Joe
Go love.
Series by jersey number 3, set by jersey number 5, pero hindi uulan. By 4, in favor of number 187, isa na lang. Check by jersey number 7, set by Malona Triplia. Number 23, to jersey number 10, set by Edward, jersey number 7, set by Malona Triplia. White color, jersey number 5, to jersey number 7, good boy. Number 187, set by Malona Triplia. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 4. Isa na lang ulit ang malalaman dito. Barangay 187. Series by jersey number 26. Received by jersey number 3. Tabla na ang ating laban sa isa. Series by jersey number 26. Received by jersey number 3, set by Nolora Tuwari. Tuwari, Ari. Received by Lana. 7-6. Series by jersey number 26. Nakuha ni Bea. Nolora to jersey number 9. Jersey number 10. Tabla ulit tayo sa pito. Series by jersey number 9. Received by jersey number 5, Camila. Set by Nolora. Nagari. Nolora, Tuwari once again. Jersey number. Ang spring isa na ulit ang malaman dito. Series by jersey number 9, Asia. Outside. Series by jersey number 21. Chance ball. Makating Jelena. Jersey number 5. Chance ball by the 187. Nolora, Tuwari. Over by jersey number 4. Puntos, matubata sa Team Jelena. Balik sa kanilang malalaman. Service by jersey number 21. Now one jersey number 3, set by set by jersey number 5 to jersey number 7. Outside by jersey number 7. Puntos, matubata. Barangay 187. Service by jersey number 10, Domingo. Set by jersey number 5 to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Sa kanila ulit ang malamangan dito. 10-9. Service by jersey number 7. Set again by Nolora to jersey number 3. Side by jersey number 3. Tabla ulit tayo sa 10. 10. Maganda siya mag-skip kasi. 10. Lahat sisisi ka na. Tabila now. Powell. Received by Bea, set by Nolora. Bea, spike. Number 5. Cage Gilmore. Official score, 11-10. Isa lang yung Gilmore dito. Nakakuha ng jersey number 10, set again by Nolora to Bea. Jersey number 5, to jersey number 5, received by Bea to jersey number 3, set by Eva to Denied. Jersey number 3, jersey number 7, jersey number 5 to the ball. Good ball. Bea, Alright, jersey number 4, jersey number 7.
Tapain kita.
Pag dalawang magaling, tag-isa ko.
Suporta.
By jersey number 5. Inside, right, number 5. Wow! Official score, 14-10. In favor of Team Jornella. Pasuyo mo. Pasuyo mo sa bench. Parang meron 8-7 na po kayo sa likod sa linig ng mula. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po. Sa linig ng mula, maraming salamat po. Di ba ang dami po pakikilig na lang po kasi now, for the
Ayos tayo, Bin. Kapit tayo, Bin. Nay. Kapit tayo na yan.
number 5, Kuya Mayo, Nagkite. Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Jersey number 23, Noyola. Inside.
Nice one, nice one. Booker. Kaya yan, Bin. Kaya yan.
Ito na si Ino. Okay. Abang doon. Ang ilig pagignan. Yes, Ulay Power. Receive by Alex Juan Nicolas Tumpea. Receive by set by Quick. Jersey number 26. Chance ball. Here is Arturo. Jersey number 5. Jersey number 8. Receive by Alex.
Ah!
Service by jersey number 4, Lamayo. Received by Arwin. Olivia. Maraming salamat. Ganda ng tunay. By jersey number 4, Lamayo. Received by Arwin. Jersey number 3 to 8. Received by jersey number 4 to Echo. Received by jersey number 10, set by Loyola Tumpea Benay. Service by jersey number 4. Number 1 jersey number. Yeah. By jersey number 7, jersey number 4, to power chance ball number 7. Outside, para number 7, balik sa lima, Team Jornella. Service by jersey number 3.
Nice one lang. Tatapa.
Team Jornella.
Ano na, anak? Si Kendall. Anak si Kendall.
HD Slugger na si Jeff Jornella. Magandang hapon po.
Becky! Alot! Ano yung camera? Walang bago ba eh?
Jersey number 3. Jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Official score 2015. Service by jersey number 27. Chance ball, Marcel Janela. Number 26. Inside.
Good toss from jersey number 26. Score 21-15 in favor of Team
Service by jersey number 27. Power.
Good toss ulit dito para sa Team Janela 22-15.
Service again by jersey number 27. Received by jersey number 10. Noyola. Chance ball by Team Janela. Jersey number 5. Israel Castillo.
Jersey number 4, 23-16, warning para sa Team Janela.
Service by jersey number 26. Received by Bea. Set by Noyola. Tuloy. Nakakuha ni Power. Naging ng jersey number 3. Chance ball by the Team 107. Jersey number 10. Team 111. Top ball.
Top ball by jersey number 14. Team Janela.
Service by jersey number 9. Set by jersey number 5 to jersey number 7. Set by Noyola. Summary.
Outside dito para jersey number 14, Putos para sa Team Janela.
Set point. Dumating na ang aming service over. By jersey number 10, by jersey number 3, set by jersey number 5, so jersey number 7. Set para sa